What's up, guys? I'm at the gas station. I just wanted to show you something. Got the Hunter Cat version v2.1, right? So it works, but I was using it wrong. And, you know, most ideal situations, you just pop in the battery, stick your face up. But if you think about it, the mag strip is on the bottom. So instead of pointing it up, point it down, right? And we'll turn it on. Get the lights going. I popped it in, right? Boom. Got a green light. All right, so I know that this pump is safe to use. So for anybody out there learning how to use this stuff, this is what I figured out. So enjoy. Peace.